Hello guys, I'm Nicecutegirll here. Okay, guys. So, hello guys, I'm Nicecutegirll here, back with another video today, guys.
This video will be with Nicecutegirll.
And yeah, guys,
Green is ready.
huh?
Green is not.
Okay. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just, we're gonna go
Let me
easy.
tell you, huh? It's your friend.
So captain is Sunday. I'll go in here in the room. Say hi. My channel is.
Have fun with me, not her.
Okay.
She had a frozen shirt.
So yeah.
She had a frozen shirt. It was a frozen. Come on, hurry up. Fiona, that girl made me lose
Calm down.
you.
Okay, calm down. So yeah, guys. Go ahead
I
So-
can't play no more.
Oh yeah.
I wanna play. You wanna
I stayed last time. So yeah, guys. Ignore Nice Cute Girl, please, and I hope you guys do like this gameplay we're doing, and I hope you guys do like this. I'll be right back.
You two have completely ruined this experiment for me. You significantly over 3 minutes. How much? A day. You haven't even tried the car yet.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and guys, please ignore any of the background. It's just my baby sister there, so yeah, let's go ahead and oh my freaking god. So I'm sorry for the meeting. I'm sorry for the not to correct this spelling. What? I don't have my hair on. That's weird. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys do like this. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. So ignore anything you hear. And just listen to the music, guys, and yeah. Okay, fine. Come here.